Cabana Hills. Oh, ayan. Wow. This is it. This is it. This is it. At ito na nga, nakasakay na kami. O, ayan. Sa taas na kami. O, nakikita nyo ba? Magandang kapaligiran. Nature na nature. Pagkatapos na kami sumakay ng cable car, sasakay naman kami sa tren papunta sa kabila. O, para makapunta tayo ng Golden Hand Bridge. Wow, beautiful view. O, andito tayo sa train. Wow. Woohoo! Foggy. Very foggy. Oh my goodness, ang taas namin. At ito na guys, naglalakad na kami. Pupuntahan namin. Ayan pa, may mga cable car sa aming sa taas. Pupuntahan namin yung lugar ng Golden Hand Bridge. Ayan o, so, cable diba? Car. Daming cable car. Papuntahin sa kabilang city. Sa Friends Village papunta. Wow! Oh, ayan. Here we are. Oh, we are here.
In angle it. Go up high.
What high?
No, it doesn't work.
Like that. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh, ayan. Wow.
Golden, is it? It's Golden Bridge?
Yeah, Golden Bridge. Golden Hand Bridge. Yes.
Oh, nice and cool.
Yeah.
On the way back, we
Don't
were
jump.
able to get
Go
pictures.
jump.
Yeah.
Unlike yesterday.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, nice village there.
It's dirt actually. What?
Very good jump.
It's actually
Why not?
dust.
Long way down.
Wow.
See the water. That goes down to the land of hope.
Wow.
I remembered Larissa. Yeah, I kind of affects me. Oh, see that.
This is the follicular
Nice.
volcano road. This one.
It's nice.
That's the eclipse palace.
Where's the swimming pool?
Look at that. Wow. Fantasy World. Wow. Nice. So, look. Kita nyo ba yan? Napakaganda. Wow. Hindi ko sukat akalaan ganito pala ang Vietnam. Napakaganda. Walang sinabi ang Pinas. Haha. Grabe. Nasa taas tayo ng bundok. Oh. Oh, ayan ang bundok. Grabe. Foggy. Foggy out there. Oh, yan. Wow, wala kang makikita kundi ang ganda ng panahon. Wow, oh. Grabe. Oh. Ayan. Oh, ayan. Ganda. Wow. Ito pa tayo guys, oh, sunflowers naman. Wow.
Nice photo.
Wow. Wow. Maglalakad tayo guys. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dun sa baba. Wow. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Oh, castle. Kaya lang, ayan na ang fog. Maakyat na. Oh, what happened to this sunflower? Oh. Sad. Ganda ng flower. Here. More here. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Ayan guys, oh. Foggy na. Foggy na dun. Hindi mo na makikita na maayos. Ganda, oh.
Really?
What? Ah, yeah, hydrangea.
Well, they
Wow.
charge. Well, they charge so much.
Yes.
Imagine the
Wow,
cost of
look.
building all this.
Yes.
Grey marble, pink
It's
marble,
all marble.
marvelous, and green marble.
Oh, they-
Well, they painted that.
Pasukin natin ang loob. Wow, look at the water. Wow, look. Wow. Wow, cool. Wow. Ito pala ang loob ng kastilyong buhangin. Ito ang loob ng kastilyo guys. Oh. Loob. Wow, ito ang loob ng kastilyong buhangin. Oh. Another loob. Oh, ito pa rin ang loob ng kastilyong buhangin. Oh. Ewan ko kung saan tayo dadali ng kapalaran. Ah, ito. Ito. Wow. Grabe foggy, oh. Ayan. Grabe. Wow. Hindi tayo ganyang katapang guys para sumakay dyan. Grabe, oh. Wow. Foggy na naman, oh. Malabo. Malabo.
Wow.
Wow. Gawa ng fog. Oo. Plaza. Beer Plaza. Oh. Sa taas ng bundok, imagine mo. Ang ganda ng theme park nila. Oh, ayan. Oh, ganda. Kaya lang foggy. Wow. Pagkatapos nilang sumakay, nagsisigawan. Hay, nako. Kaya ayoko sumakay.
What a screaming.
Wow, yes. After that,
Dizzy.
yeah, dizzy.
Beer Plaza.
Grabe, sobrang taas namin. Oh, ayan. Nasa pinakatuktok kami ng bundok at nakakatakot talaga sumakay dyan. Nakakalula. Sobrang taas namin. Kita nyo ba yan? Ang liit na mga cable car. Yung mga kasabayan namin. Isa ito sa pinaka-longest cable car in the world. Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan. Malapitan na cable car. Oh, ayan. Paparating. Oh, ayan. Grabe. Tingnan nyo ha. Bababa na kami ng bundok nito. Oh, ayan. Mga nakasalubong namin, pakyat sila. At kami ay pababa. Oh, ayan. Nakikita na ninyo yung aming pupuntahan. Oh, ayan. Yung kabahayan na yan, doon kami pupunta. Oh, diba? Ang layo-layo namin. Ilang bundok yung aming tinawid. Nakasakay kami sa cable car. Oh. Oh, Bana Hills.